Hi everyone, I'm Marie Chris Loresto, your broker Clet, PRC licensed real estate broker and appraiser, professor, coach, mentor, and business owner. And lagi ko sasabihin sa inyo, dream big. Lakihan ng pangarap. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos for your board exam preparation. I prepared this video for an upcoming board examiner for real estate broker and appraiser. Mas pinadaling intindihin at unawain at sagutan without using so much time writing in your paper. Yan. The main topic for today's video is understanding the future value with calculator technique. First, we need to know what is future value kasi the best thing to do when you encounter problem about future value, kailangan mong i-analyze if the problem is asking for future value. Kaya dapat alam mo ang meaning nito. Future value is the value of an investment or cash flow at latter point of time. It means ito yung magiging value ng investment mo for period of time. Ang best explanation dito, parang yung pera mo ngayon, magkano sa susunod from the word future. So future value is also twin word of compounding. That means this is the procedure for determining the future values when accumulated interest also earns interest. One of the board exam question na pwede nyo ma-encounter, compounding is also known as blank. Or future value is also known as blank. Pagpalitin nyo lang compounding and future value, that's it. Yun ang sagot doon. Ayan na, may isa na kayong sure answer for your board exam question. From the formula given, we need to have present value, interest rate, and period of time. One of the board exam question, at the end of 2 years, what will be the balance of savings account in paying 6% annually if 5,000 is deposited today? Ayan. So, from the problem, they not exactly asking for future value. Walang nakalagay na what is the future value. Kaya you need to analyze what is being asked. From the word today, it is considered the amount 5,000 is the present value and the 6% is the annual interest rate in the period of 2 years. Yan. From our problem analyzation, to summarize present value is 5,000, interest is 6%, and time period is 2 years. Yan. Since we finally analyze the problem at kompleto na ang data natin na pwede natin ilapat na ito sa calculator, and highly suggest to use Canon F789GA, but other financial calculator pwede rin naman po. Pero kasi sa mga future discussion natin, best na gamitin talaga itong calculator na to. Malaking tulong talaga. This is one of the allowable calculator from PRC. So, ito po yung calculator na ginamit ko during my 2 board exam. My first board exam is the real estate appraiser, then next is real estate broker. So, first from the formula, meron na tayong present value, which means 5,000. Simply, click from your calculator, 5,000. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa screen. Yun siya. Then, multiply by clicking X sign. Ayan, hanapin nyo yung multiplication na sign. Instead, 1 plus 6%, we have to simplify it from 1.06. Kasi 1 plus 6% converted into decimal, 0.06 is also equal to 1.06 kasi 1 is always constant, representing same value. Ayan, tingnan nyo na lang yung screen. Then, click the x raised to the power para malagyan ng exponent. Ayan, tinuturo ng arrow kung saan yun. Then, ma-enter nyo yun natin yung time. So, tignan nyo yung screen, anong kalalabasan yan. Then, after that, kailangan mong ilagay ang period of time, which is 2 years. Click mo lang yung key, the raised to the power, then, ayan, 2. Yan, click mo yung key ng 2, ilagay mo doon sa raised to the power. So, instead na nakaback siya, 2 na siya. Then, i-click mo yung equal sign, and the answer is 5,618. That's it. Di ba ang bilis? Di ba ang dali lang? Without using paper or pen, mas madaling masasagutan kasi sa board exam, time pressure talaga. Kaya totoo, time is gold. Yan. For the next topic is understanding the present value, of course, with calculator technique ulit. Thank you for listening. Good luck to all future brokers and appraiser. Again, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos na makakatulong sa inyo to pass your licensure board exam.